Okay, Dave and I are here, my good friend from Lewistown, and we're getting ready to start some work. And really what we're doing now is we're going to be setting up for like the whole summer, probably, most of the summer. So I'm kind of setting up a work area underneath the porch from last year. Had this 16-foot plank in the garage, and honestly it's been in my way. There's a few other boards in my way. I need to maybe cut them and get them out of there. But they're so long, it's the only place I could put them. So I'm going to cut this one into 5 foot 4 inches, 3 of them for on top of the sawhorses. And then that work area is going to serve for doing the carport here. And let's go underneath here. We're going to rebuild these benches. So it turns out 38-inch in between will work good. And for now, this is going to be a good work area. Eventually, it'll be like a stone patio area, stone patio area. But for now, good work area. Okay, so it takes time doing setup, but it's got to be done so we have a nice work area. Okay, let's get going.